Understanding equations, functions and numerical processing. Within mathematics, you have a few different things that are happening and present within an equation. You have 1. The subject variable, that which you are solving for. 2. The equality or equal sign, stating that both sides of the equation must be equal or hold true. 3. Expression on the right side which contains parameters and operators. The expression is the math model of the relationship between the parameters and the subject variable. When we know the math relationship, we can solve for the implied subject variable. 4. Parameter values that are inputs into the math model which can either be actual data values or are assumptions. 5. Numerical processing that occurs in order of operations to derive the subject variable given inputted parameters which are either actual data values or are assumptions. The numerical processing of the expression is automated by Excel and returns the output or value of the subject variable in the cell. 6. Output of numerical processing which is the subject variable value, the solution. This is the implied subject value given the parameter values or assumptions.